Yo guys, how are we doing? This is like the first. It's been long actually posted any setup. Like I've been on a break, so how have we all been? And hope we're not people that actually enjoy the losses Bitcoin gave us. So everybody's trying to come back from the loss. Do you understand? So bad we lost a mogul. I'm sure you guys have heard about it. Well, now we're back from it. The best thing about life is you getting back from a very very tough time, and doing what you like doing every time. So lately trades has been crazy, like especially pounds dollar and other pairs that have been going so crazy. So I just decided that okay, you know what, let me not drop any signal because the manipulation in the market and Trump has been controlling a lot of things and making the market a confusing place. So even the federal interest rate reports, the FOMC reports, the NFP reports lately, the consumer price index reports, the purchasing price index reports, the CPIs, the JOLT report and all that hasn't been really that clear. Do you understand? So my watch list this week is pounds dollar, euro New Zealand, pounds yen and pounds Swiss franc. Like I watch majorly 45. So I made the analysis and on pounds dollar, you can see that we have a particular zone which is being respected. So you can see the 1, 2, 3. Although this third touch is not really that impressive, I still feel it's still gonna come to this side and make a very strong weak rejection like this and reverse back upward. So till then I'm still watching. So currently last week it made a double bottom. Let me just call it a gately pattern. Please permit me to change this color. Yeah, just so that we're very clear. It makes a gately pattern. You can see it here. So now what I'm expecting on is a retest, a pullback to that other block. That's gonna mitigate it, or it's gonna reverse, or it's gonna break it downward. But price will just gately patterns, which is the W pattern. This is the same W pattern. So once it comes here, it pulls back to this place, then we buy. So probably with an engulfing candlestick signal or any candlestick that makes sense on the 4 hour time frame. Do you understand? So that is that about that. So fast forward to Euro New Zealand. This one is a big time sell. Do you understand? Because we already have everything in place. This is an engulfing candlestick. Can you see that engulfing candlestick? Like it's not a joke. So we'll switch down to a 4 hour time frame. Prior there was the bears were really like bears really dominated this market. Do you understand? So that's it. So let's go down to our 1 hour time frame. You can see. So what I'm expecting is very simple. Choose I keep my analysis very simple because if you know what you want in the market, you get what you want. You understand? So I'm expecting a pullback here. Now one thing is that I don't take everything at once because I classify my trade as A trade, B trade. For example, now this is my A trade. The pound dollar is my B trade. Do you understand? Which means that I have 80% of taking this one if I see what I want here. Do you understand? So this is about this. We are going for a sell. I probably let you see all my setup and all that. So now going to pounds yen. This one I'm buying, like for real. I'm buying. Most people don't like color charts, so let me change it to something more nice. So now I can see that so far pounds yen has been in a very strong uptrend. You can see pounds yen. Aside from the gap that it opened last week, it has been a very strong uptrend. So looking at this strong weak rejection tells you that what the bulls are still in the market, although and this is making a bearish flag pattern. So what you're looking for here is just to buy. You understand? So you guys will be like, why did I place a resistance here? I don't actually need it. I know that's where the market's closed. You understand? So look at this. So I'll be doing more of mentorship soon. So teaching you guys how to do this, Then switch go to our 1 hour time frame. You can see what's expecting. Just a little pullback. A retest to the other block. You can call it other block, mitigator block, or whatever name you like. Do you understand? How about you just wait for a signal? That's all. So pound Swiss franc, you see, this is a downtrend. Let me change this color because most people don't like all this color. But I just love it. I just love using it. So you can see that it's currently selling. I have to just leave this Fibonacci retracement. There's a confirmation. So this is where I'm going to anticipate for a retest. Once you get a very strong signal there, I sell. You understand? Either an engulfing candlestick or whatever, just So that's about that. So if you have any question, click on the link on the bio to actually send a DM. They'll reply you. My staff is going to reply you, and then if you're interested in mentorship, send a DM. If you want signal, click on the bio. Thank you, and have a wonderful Sunday. So if you need signal to get an entry to all these trades I'll be taking, you can send a DM. So you can also participate in this free signal. Thank you.